Stationed. Definition: extremely surprised or amazed. Synonyms: amazed, shocked, surprised. Antonym: unsurprised, bored. Example: she was astonished by the magical trick. Delightful. Delightful. Definition: causing delight, charming and pleasant. Synonyms: charming, pleasant, lovely. Antonym: unpleasant, horrible. Example: the delightful picnic made everyone happy. Mysterious. Imstrees. Definition: difficult to understand or explain, strange. Synonyms: puzzling, secretive, enigmatic. Antonym: obvious, clear. Example: the mysterious footprints led to the hidden cave. Persevere. PSV. Definition: to continue trying despite difficulties. Synonyms: persist, continue, endure. Antonym: quit, surrender. Example: she persevered through the challenging puzzle. Ridiculous. RDKJLS. Definition: extremely silly or unreasonable. Synonyms: absurd, silly, foolish. Antonym: sensible, reasonable. Example: the ridiculous hat had 10 colorful feathers. Tremendous. Tremens. Definition: very great in amount, scale, or intensity. Synonyms: huge, enormous, massive. Antonym: tiny, insignificant. Example: the tremendous storm shook the windows. Adequate. ADKWT. Definition: enough or satisfactory for a purpose. Synonyms: sufficient, enough, acceptable. Antonym: inadequate, insufficient. Example: the supplies were adequate for the camping trip. Fascinating. Phase net. Definition: extremely interesting and attractive. Synonyms: captivating, interesting, enthralling. Antonym: boring, dull. Example: the fascinating documentary was about dolphins. Hostile. Stall. Definition: unfriendly and aggressive. Synonyms: aggressive, unfriendly, antagonistic. Antonym: friendly, welcoming. Example: the hostile weather forced us to stay inside. Remarkable. RMACable. Definition: worthy of attention, extraordinary. Synonyms: extraordinary, notable, outstanding. Antonym: ordinary, unremarkable. Example: her remarkable talent won the competition.